Meaning of endways.
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 Endways. Endways is an adverb that refers to something being placed or oriented with one end foremost. For example, if a book is placed on a shelf endways, it means that the spine is facing outward. When used in a sentence, endways provides direction or orientation as to how something is positioned. In general, the use of endways indicates a preference for proper alignment and organization, with objects being placed in a specific way to ensure that they are orderly and easy to access.